Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished that your flashlight output could also paint the scene with colors, campfire vibe, creative photo gel, and emergency signaling? Well, meet the Fenix LD36R. This one can do it. It's basically your pocket color studio with 3600 lumens and 421 yards throw. Let's deep dive for more details. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload. The LD36R has a blinding 3600 lumens of white light and 421 yards throw. Plenty of reach to get the job done, no matter what, search task or wide area scene lighting. You got 14 total light modes, 5 white levels, strobe, and a full range of color outputs, including 6 preset color, plus breathing and stepless color mode, so you can dial in exactly the tone you want. Having many color output options will have you use the flashlight in more creative ways than you thought it's possible, like in photography or background ascent in video, or just want to have some fun atmosphere. And the runtime, up to 65 plus hour on the lowest setting, thanks to the included high capacity 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, replaceable, rechargeable in flash with a USB Type-C charge port. It's also made to handle whatever the world throws at you, with IP68 water and dust proof and impact resistant. And now, let's see what this bad boy can do at night. Turbo mode is 3600 lumens with 421 yards throw. This is your beast mode to dominate the night and can run for 3 hours and 41 minutes. High mode is 1500 lumen with 266 yard throw. This one is more than enough to light up your path for more than 2 football fields and can run for 3 hours and 55 minutes. Medium mode is 350 lumens with 127 yard throw. Great for walking your dog without disturbing your neighbors and can run for 10 hours and 15 minutes. Low mode is 150 lumen with 83 yard throw. Great for when you need some power for a long period of time and can run for 28 hours and 58 minutes. Eco mode is 30 lumens with 38 yard throw. Great for using the flashlight inside the house without blinding your family and can run for 65 hours and 18 minutes. And strobe mode is 3600 lumens. Great for self-defense or signaling in case of emergency. And now, let's color the night. It's a lot of fun and it's also very useful, like sunrise red for example. It's great to reserve your vision at night and also to be seen from a distance. Sunrise red is 175 lumens with 25 yard throw and can run for 4 hours and 57 minutes. Sunset orange is 215 lumens with 29 yard throw and can run for 4 hours and 58 minutes. Twilight pink is 210 lumens with 29 yard throw and 4 hours and 58 minutes of runtime. Aqua blue is 250 lumens with 35 yard throw and 4 hours and 51 minutes of runtime. Neon purple is 165 lumens with 25 yard throw and can run for 4 hours and 58 minutes. Arctic green is 330 lumens with 42 yard throw and can run for 4 hours and 46 minutes. And the breathing light can run for 6 hours and 17 minutes. And we also have a stepless color, so you can select the color that fits your mood the best. And now, let's see what comes in the box. You get the Fenix LD36R flashlight, holster, USB-C charging cable, diffuser tip, lanyard, spare O-ring, and the manual. Design-wise, this compact beast about 5.5 inches long and weight a little over 8 ounces. Now that's impressive. Easy pack or belt carry with its metal clip or the included holster. It has a tackle switch and a side switch. Both of them sit comfortably under your thumb, so I can control this flashlight like a boss. The tackle switch is used to turn the flashlight on, whether you want white light or color. All you need to do is flick the toggle switch, and your night is bright or in color. At the tail you'll find a 1/4 inch threaded socket. This will open up even more possibility and creative way to use it. Drop it on a tripod, light stand, or even a mini table mount for hand-free color wash or scene fill. It's also tail stand friendly thanks to its flat tail. Pop on the diffuser tip to turn the LD36R into a lantern or atmospheric light. Color for campsite table, tent fills, portrait color glow if you're into photography, or a background ascent in video. The body is made from A6061 T6 aircraft graded aluminum, built to work outdoors, not just sit on your desk. Rated IP68 water and dust proof and can withstand 1 meter impact. Great for field abuse, rain, and gear tossing. And what powers this beast? A 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's replaceable, rechargeable, to make sure that you're never left in the dark. And when it's time to recharge, it's super easy and fast thanks to its USB Type-C charge port that's been covered by a rubber door to maintain its IP68 rating. And of course there is a battery indicator to let you know how much juice left and when it's time to recharge. And now for the operation guide. Out of the box, the toggle switch will be in the middle, which is the off position. To turn the flashlight on white, move the toggle switch to the left. It will start on the last output level that you were using, thanks to its smart memory. To change the output level, press the size switch to go from eco, low, medium, high, turbo, and back to eco. If you want to switch to the color mode, move the toggle switch all the way to the right. It will start on red. To change the color, press the size switch to go from red, orange, pink, blue, purple, green, and back to red. And if you want to choose your own color, press and hold the size switch for seamless color changes. Release the size switch to select the color you want. And if you want the breathing color mode, double press the size switch and enjoy the show. And to exit the mode, press the size switch. If you want strobe mode, make sure the toggle switch is all the way to the left on white, and then press the size switch and hold for 1 second. And to exit strobe, press the size switch again. And to turn off the flashlight, move the toggle switch to the middle. And if you want to lock the flashlight, double press the size switch. The flashlight will blink twice to confirm the lock. And to unlock it, double press the size switch. The flashlight will blink twice to confirm that it's unlocked. Alright, let's recap. If you want a serious output, there's plenty of flashlights that can do that. And the LD36R is definitely one of them. Well, what the LD36R can do, and other flashlights they can't, is having a full range of color outputs. This bad boy will open up creative use that was not possible before. I really love photography, and it's so amazing that you can have so many color outputs in such a small factor. And let's not forget about the power output, because this one is powerful, and with the diffuser, I can get soft, even light all the time. And obviously I do videos too, so to be able to add in some colors, that's always a plus. And to be able to mount it to a tripod, that will allow you to position the light exactly where you want. And on top of that, it has a real outdoor durability. IP68 rated, impact resisting, combined with a 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery that's replaceable and rechargeable. The LD36R is a no-brainer. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite color. And until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.